till the floor got bored. Now even pain ignores me. Used to scream into the dark. Now my tears forgot their part. Tears don't make a sound anymore. They just fall like before. I'm breaking quietly inside, like damage I learned to hide. You taught my heart to whisper when it wanted to shout. Now sadness wears a smile and stays longer than doubt. If healing's real, it's late, or maybe I sealed my fate. Tears don't make a sound anymore, but they still hit the floor. I'm breaking quiet